Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best baby laundry detergents that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best baby laundry detergents. Blowouts, and all the cute clothes that you're desperate for your baby to wear before they outgrow them. You're likely to go through multiple outfits a day. And don't even get me started on your laundering frequency if you're cloth diapering. Number 5 PuraC Natural Liquid Laundry Detergent, for those with sensitive skin or allergies. It contains no sulfates, chlorine, animal byproducts, allergens, or brighteners. Main features: plant-based and vegan. It has no allergens. Super affordable. Number 4 Molly Suds Laundry Powder, a peppermint essential oil to give the soap itself a pleasant scent, yet this rinses out, so the clothes don't have an overpowering scent after washing. Main features: can be used in hard or soft water. Can be used in hot or cold water. It contains no harsh chemicals. Number 3 Dreft Stage 1 Hypoallergenic Laundry Detergent, knowing that their skin needs were different, and more sensitive, than those of adults. This detergent is hypoallergenic and free of dyes. Main features: recommended by pediatricians. Hypoallergenic. Developed specifically with babies in mind. Number 2 Ecos Laundry Detergent. Green energy in the bottle it comes in can be recycled when you're done. The detergent itself is plant-based and works in either high-efficiency or traditional washing machines. Main features: plant-based and better for the environment. Biodegradable. Manufactured using green energy. Number 1 Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. The container itself is made from 25% recycled materials. It has a mild scent which comes from essential oils rather than synthetic fragrances, so it won't cause as much irritation. Main features: 97% natural ingredients. Tested by dermatologists. It's concentrated, so you don't need a lot. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.